Yung mga dadali natin. So ito yung mga susutin natin. Siyempre ang ating boxer shorts, may medyas, undershirt, yung buckles and belt, tapos yung ating lower garment, ating uniform goa, tapos yung ating headgear, Persian cap, at siyempre ang ating pilot shades. Morning guys, prepare tayo ng gamit. Ayan, maliligo na tayo kasi klase muna. Bago tayo maligo, shape muna tayo. Shape muna, shape. Bago tayo maligo guys, mag-base naman tayo ngayon. Guys, mag-base naman tayo. Uniform natin. So yun na nga guys, nandito na tayo, malapit na sa Bureau of Fire Protection National Headquarters, kung saan magaganap ang regular promotion ng mga officers ng BFP. So itong promotion to is a regular promotion wherein may quota sa kanilang bawat region, and then yung mga qualified personnel na promotables ay mapopromote. Meron kasi tayong mga ways kung paano ma-promote ang isang personnel. For example, yung sinabi ko kanina, yung regular promotion. So magiging qualified ka na based on your time and grade, tapos yung experience mo sa field, and then your accomplishments and your service reputation. And then meron tayong special or meritorious or yung spot promotion wherein nag-exhibit ka ng acts of conspicuous courage and gallantry na pwedeng marisk ang iyong buhay above and beyond the call of duty. So na-spot promotion sila or meritoriously promoted. And then meron din tayong promotion by virtue of position. For example, na talagang Chief PNP or Chief Bureau of Fire Protection ang isang general, so mapopromote siya bilang isang 4-star general sa PNP and then 2-star general naman sa Bureau of Fire Protection. Guys, dito na nga tayo sa BFP National Headquarters at sobrang lakas ng ulan. Grabe.
Welcome to the Bureau of Fire Protection National Headquarters, Agam Road, Bagong Pag-asa, Quezon City.
For the oath-taking ceremony of the newly promoted pursuant to BFP NHQ Human Resource Merit Promotion and Selection Board, Resolution Number JCO-2023-002,
Bureau of Fire Protection. Having been appointed position of hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge our purpose as a region. Well,
Thank you, sir.
don't forget where you came from. Most of us tend to forget the first day that we go forward. So, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir.
So guys, dito nga tayo sa bahay. Naputol lang ilang oras yung video natin kasi nalobat yung cellphone ko ba. So nakatulog na rin tayo. Sama ko nga pala si ma'am. Ay ma'am.